Hello guys, Matthew from XAMPP IT Solutions is here, and today I'm going to talk about two other features of the page builder, which is testimonial and pricing plan. Okay, let's get started. In previous videos we talked about the top panel, the icon box, the image box, and now we are in the testimonial. Testimonial is one of the most important part of the website because it just shows the feedback of your old customers, and when a visitor or a new customer just walking through your website can get like positive impression, and I think it's very useful to have. This section is very simple to create. It's just a one column section. There is a photo in background as we talked in the top panel, and there is a background overlay, so make it a little bit darker, and then there is some header for the testimonial. But if you want, there is some ready to use block of the testimonial. You can click here and just type to find it faster, so you can drag and drop this one here. And yeah, for the text, you can in the text part you can add here, you can add some BR like this one to create a new line. I make it in the center. Yeah, and you can add a photo here, and for the location, for the layout of the photo, you can you have an image position here. You can make it top or on the side, and you can add a photo here, and it's pretty simple to create. Or even if you have like 2 or more testimonial, you can add more. You can add the inner section and create more columns here. You can add the inner section here, and then yeah, drag your testimonial in one section. Like this, and drag this one. It doesn't come like this. Okay, we can copy and paste here or duplicate and drag and drop in these columns, and then add some photo and change the color to a white one and to be ready to read. Okay, that's it. Okay, just let me delete this part. And the next part I'm going to talk about is the pricing plan. If you come down a little bit here, we have pricing plan here. So we have like 3 different sections, columns, and we have a heading, 1, 2, 3 heading, divider, and a list. This part is a icon list, so we can use icon list, and we have a bottom here. So to create this one like nice and clean like this, if you click here, you can see a columns, and there is some padding. There is a margin here. Margin is a distance between the box of the content and the columns, and we have a padding. Padding is this distance from the margin to the text area or content area. And we have a heading here as well. So to create this part, we just click here, add like 3 equal columns like this. Yeah, actually we need a heading first. Okay, just let me delete this one. Because we have a heading, we need to add a 1 column section, and then we will add a heading, pricing plans. Make it in the middle, change size to like extra large, and then go to the style, typography, and transform to uppercase. And then we have another heading here, and we add underneath, and go with your right one. Make it in the middle. The size is okay, but I'm going to change the color to blue No. Okay, I need to pick up color from here. Okay, just let me check the color here. Okay, come back to our section, text color, and transform to typography, transform to uppercase, and the size. And like 300. Yeah, it's better now. And the style, it will be italic. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 3 columns. So I'm gonna add the inner section to that, just underneath, and duplicate one of the columns. It comes like this. So I'm gonna work on this column first. So here I need to add some heading, one heading for basic plan, and make it in the middle, change color to blue, and then typography, transform to uppercase. Oh yeah, I think that's okay. I need to make it like a little smaller, like make it 16. Yeah, that's okay. And then I need to add another column for the price. The $sign 49 in the middle, and the style, the typography, the size will be very big, like 65, and the weight I'm gonna make it a little, okay, or even 300. Yeah, that's better. And then I need to add another heading for precision. I just come here, make it in the middle, and transform to uppercase, and the default 300, and the spacing is more than the normal one, so I can increase the letter spacing here, so it will be like this. Yeah. Or I can change the size to like 16. Yeah. And then I have a divider. We can add a divider here. I reduce the size of divider, make it in the middle, like a smaller one. Yeah, that one. Okay, and then I can add like the icon list here. Icon list is here. I can drag and drop. See, let's go up a little bit. Okay, for icon, I put them. Okay, I don't want this one. No, and I don't want this one. I need just this one, and I put in the middle layout. Okay, like in the middle. Okay, and then I can if I click on this icon, I can make it like some more. No, okay, sorry. I need to drag and drop one more, or I can duplicate. Like duplicate and duplicate and duplicate. Okay, we just created the old text like that, and we need to add a bottom here, but I will talk about the bottom in the next video. So then we need to make like the padding and the margin. So let me check the color of here just to be sure we will pick up the correct color. So yeah, okay, to create this one, we can see here that, okay, we choose this one, the column one, and then we go to the style and the advanced, and at the margin like 20. Okay, let me just make a color here, then we can follow it better. So background color, I'm gonna add background color F5, F5, F5. So it is like that, and then we go to the advanced and we increase the margin, and you can see how it works. Yeah, so it is like the same. So we can add some padding here. Actually the padding is good, we don't need to change it, but if we want we can change the padding as well. And then for the border, you come back to the style, and we don't need to add the border, but we can change the radius of the border to make it not sharp. Yeah, it's almost similar, just we need to add a bottom here. So we update this one, and now we can copy and paste in these columns, and just change the background color for the middle one to blue, and change the text color to white one to have something exactly the same. Yeah, thank you so much, and we will continue in the next video.